According to the latest long-term projection, the price of Ethereum is expected to reach $2,000 by the end of 2023 and further increase to $5,000 by the end of 2031. The anticipated valuation of Ethereum, the price of Ethereum in the year 2023 to 2024, commenced with a value of $1,193.48. Presently, Ethereum is being traded at a rate of 1,876.68. Consequently, the cost has increased by 57% from the beginning of the year. The projected cost of the Gadgetarium at the end of 2023 is estimated to be 2,206 units. There is a year-to-year increase of 85 units, indicating a positive trend. By the first half of 2024, the price of Ethereum is expected to rise to 2,269 units. In the latter part of the year, an additional increase of 342 units is anticipated, resulting in a closing price of 2,611 units. This represents a 39-unit increase compared to the current price. The availability of closed captioning for Gauge 4 has been discontinued. According to projections, Ethereum is anticipated to commence the year 2025 with a value of 2,611. Subsequently, over the first 6 months of the year, it is expected to see a significant surge, reaching a value of 3,198. Finally, by the end of 2025, Ethereum is projected to stabilize at a value of 3,104. This suggests an additional 65 units from the present moment. The purpose of this inquiry is to ascertain the projected trajectory of Ethereum within the time frame of 2030 to 2034. During this time period, it is projected that the price of Ethereum will go from 40.86 to 65.76, representing a 61% increase. Ethereum is expected to start the year 2030 at 40.86 and gradually rise to 43.49 within the first half of the year. By the end of 2030, it is anticipated to reach a value of 4,610, indicating a gain of 146 units from the present value. This is the forecast for the future value of Ethereum. The cost of Ethereum in the year of 2023 to 2024 commenced with a value of $1,193.48. As of today, Ethereum is being traded at $1,914.67, indicating a 60% increase from the beginning of the year. The projected Ethereum cost by the end of 2023 is estimated to be $2,338, resulting in a year-to-year change of 96%. Based on the projected trajectory, it is anticipated that the value of Ethereum will experience an upward trend from the present time to the conclusion of the year, with an additional increase of 22% in the first half of 2024. Specifically, the price of Ethereum is expected to reach $2,405 by the midpoint of 2024. In the latter half of the year, a further increment of $363 is predicted, resulting in a closing value of $2,768. This final figure represents a 45% increase compared to the current price. The purpose of this study is to provide an academic analysis of the potential future developments and trends in the Ethereum ecosystem between the years 2025 and 2029. Over the course of the next 5 years, there is expected to be an increase. The projected price movement of Ethereum indicates an increase from its current value of $2,768 to $433, representing a 57% rise. It is anticipated that Ethereum will commence the year 2025 at $2,768 and see a subsequent surge to $3,391 within the first 6 months. By the end of 2025, Ethereum is expected to reach a value of 3,292, signifying a net gain of 72 units compared to the present value. The anticipated trajectory of Ethereum between the years 2030 and 2034. During this time period, the price of Ethereum is projected to increase significantly, rising from $433 to $69.74, representing a growth of 61%. In the year 2030, Ethereum is expected to commence at a value of 4,333 and experience a surge to 4,612 during the first 6 months. By the end of 2030, it is anticipated to reach 4,889, indicating a gain of around 155% from the current value of 615 as of June 15, 2023. The purpose of this inquiry is to ascertain the projected value of Ethereum for the years 2023 and 2024. The price of Ethereum commenced in 2023 at $1,193.48. As of today, Ethereum is being traded at $1,647.37, indicating a price increase of 38% since the beginning of the year. It is projected that by the end of 2023, the price of Ethereum will reach $2,177. This represents a year-to-year change of 82%. Furthermore, it is anticipated that in the first half of 2024, the price of Ethereum will rise to $2,830, and in the latter half, it will experience an additional increase of $171, culminating in a year-end price of $3,001. This final figure reflects an 82% increase compared to the current price. The purpose of this study is to provide an academic analysis of the projected trends and potential developments of Ethereum during the timeframe of 2025 to 2029. Over the course of the next 5 years, there would be an increase. The projected price of Ethereum is expected to increase from its current value of $3,001 to $4,521, representing a 51% increase. By the beginning of 2025, Ethereum is anticipated to reach $3,001 and subsequently rise to $3,037 within the first 6 months of the year. It is predicted to conclude 2025 at $3,493, indicating a net gain of 112 units compared to the present value. Looking ahead to the period between 2030 and 2034, Ethereum is projected to experience further growth, with its price ascending from $4,521 to $5,893, representing a 30% increase. In 2030, Ethereum is expected to commence at $4,521 and then rise to $4,792 within the first half of the year, ultimately concluding 2030 at $5,062, which represents a net gain of 207 units compared to the current value. The purpose of this study is to provide an academic analysis of the projected value of Ethereum for the period of 2023 to 2024.